Hello? Okay, okay. Yeah. Today we'll do subcontracting process.
Okay.
Okay. So first of all, what is subcontracting? Generally, in your day-to-day life, you are familiar with the word subcontracting.
Like giving outsourcing.
Yes, giving outsourcing. Yeah. For example, suppose your business is selling laptops or desktops which are assembled. Okay. Suppose you are giving components to a subcontracting vendor to assemble and to make it as a finished product, either laptop or desktop. Okay, for that
Okay.
assembling charges you are paying. Okay,
Okay.
in your suppose in your company some machinery is there. For that some lathe work is required. Okay, so for that lathe work you are not having lathe machine. For that purpose you are giving uh, outsourcing to some in Balnagar area. Some lathe machines are there. There some subcontractor may be there. For that lathe work or making holes, for that you are giving outsourcing. For that, for each hole some charge they are charging, that amount you are paying. Okay, that amount you are paying.
Okay.
Okay, so that kind of thing is called as subcontracting process. In that subcontracting process, uh, in our SAP, uh, some prerequisites are there. Afterwards, we have to do the process. Okay, so here, uh, see, here this is your plant. Here one subcontractor is
Okay.
there. Subcontracting vendor. SC vendor means subcontracting vendor. For that vendor, you have to give a purchase order. Okay, give purchase order to subcontracting vendor with item category L. Okay, after giving purchase order to subcontracting vendor, he has the responsibility to complete your subcontracting work, whatever you outsourced. For that, you need to provide components. Then he will assemble it and he will send it a finished product back. Right? So first step is you have to give purchase order to subcontracting vendor with item category L. You have to create that PO, and then you have to do transfer posting of that components or raw materials to subcontracting vendor with 541 movement type. Then after some days, you will complete that product. Means you will assemble it and you will send that finished product back. Means in your plant you have to do goods receipt for that finished product or semi-finished product with 101 movement type. Okay, afterwards you have to do invoice to make the service charges. Okay, this is the process. For this the prerequisites are components. So you have to provide some raw materials. For that raw materials you have to create a material master records. Then
Okay.
end product, you have to receive the finished product. For that also you have to create a material master, and later you have to create a purchase info record for that end product with info category subcontracting. Then you have to create BOM of end product with components. Okay, these four steps you have to do. Okay, in our example, we will do with two raw materials. Okay, we will take
Okay.
two raw materials and then we will take one finished product. Means raw material one plus raw material two you are sending to your subcontractor and he is sending finished product back to you. Okay,
Okay.
so first in MM01 you can take components either raw materials or semi-finished goods. Okay, yes,
Okay.
industry sector M, and a material type is ROHG. With enter. basic data 1, purchasing, general plant data, and accounting one view. You can select, click enter. Now your plant is G11 and storage location is ST01. Click enter. Here component 1, component 1 raw material. Okay, and you are taking some kg and material group is some mg01. Click enter. Make down this material number 110010. Note it down. Okay, click enter. And here purchasing view, nothing. And in plan data, no need to enter anything. And here validation classic raw material, so take 3000 and the price control indicator is B. No need to enter any price, even if you enter, suppose something is entered. Now one raw material is created, it means one component material is created, that is 1100. And next one is create another material. G11, click enter. And 110011, this is another component. This is also, suppose you are taking kg and material group is mg01. Click enter. Validation class take 3000 and moving average price, let it be some 60 rupees. Click enter. Enter. Now two raw materials are created. Okay, now we have to create one end product for this material. ROH. Next one is PET. Okay, I think we didn't create material type for finished product with your company FERG. Okay, I'm taking standard one PET. Okay, hello, hello Gautam.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
that I'm
yes.
taking. Click enter. For use I'm selecting. Click enter.
Okay.
G11. Now 2047 is the finished product.
Okay.
End product FG. FG. Base unit measure you can take piece or kg. I'm taking kg. Here mg04 or 3 something you can take. Click enter. Click enter. And your valuation class, see, because it's a finished got now, different valuation class will be there. 7920 and keep it standard price only. Let it be some 200 rupees. Click enter. So finished product is 2047. Okay.
Okay.
We created one finished product and two raw materials. Now create an info record for finished product. ME11 is the T code to create the info record. So vendor, what is our vendor number? 402001.
Good.
I'll take some 402002 also we are having now.
Yeah.
Just wait, 402002 something we are having. See 2006, 2007, 2001. Okay, I'm taking 2007 as a subcontracting vendor. And purchasing organization. Here you have to take our standard purchase organization. No, sorry. We are having one standard purchase organization as well as one local purchase organization. Na? You have to take standard purchase organization. What is our standard purchase organization?
GA double one.
No, GA1 is local purchase organization. Local purchase organization reference by standard purchase organization GASP. Okay, and plant is GA11. Okay, here info category you have to take subcontracting. Click enter. Material 2047 is mainly procured internally. Okay. Vendor 402007 is not yet created by this purchase organization GASP. See, this vendor is not in that standard purchase organization GASP, so we have to extend it.
Okay.
I'm opening another screen. XK01. Four zero two double zero seven. Company code is G11. One minute.
Okay.
Here. Already exists. Okay, most of data is featured now. Okay.
Okay.
Vendor. Now this is extended to this company code also. Sorry, this purchase organization also. Okay. Now click enter. Again, we have to re-execute. Slash and ME11. Okay. Select subcontracting. Click enter. Enter. Here, what are the things you want to enter? You can enter. Your prior vendor, all the nothing is mandatory. Leave it.
Okay.
Plan the time let it be 1 day. Standard quantity is mandatory to keep it 1 day. And the net price, let it be some 30 rupees per kg. Make it 70 per piece. Okay. Click enter. Purchase group PG1 we are having. Enter. Nothing is required. Enter. Save. So purchase info record is created. Clear?
Okay.
Now we have to create a PO. Before that, make sure that after creating the PO, you have to provide components to your vendor. Na?
Yes.
So first of all, you should have that stock in your plant. Na?
Yeah.
So make sure that make some stock in your plant. Then let us create the PO. You can go to MyGo and with 501 moment type keep some stock. Okay, let us assume that already some stock is there. Okay, now in this case, in our example, some stock is required. Na? So I am taking with some 501 moment type.
Okay.
Click enter. Here, what is our material? Double one 0010 is one material.
Yeah.
Enter. And quantity how much? Let it be 2000 quantity you can buy. And where? Plant G11. Storage location ST01. Okay. And a partner, it's not mandatory, leave it. Now click enter. Just wait. Check item, okay. Okay. Now you have for one line item means you have one component. Similarly, other component also required, na?
Yes.
Okay. See here the symbol. Next item is there, na? Here. See the cursor.
Yeah.
Click that one. Now you can enter another material. Second line item you will get. Okay, 111011. Click enter. And quantity, let it be some 3000 quantity. And where? G11. And storage location ST01. Click enter. Now this item also you can select it. Item okay already. Check.
Okay.
Now two line items are okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Post it. Right now material document is posted. Now check the stock. Whether that components do you have or not.
Okay.
10. Execute. Okay, now you have 2000 quantity of first component, na? Similarly, second component you can check. So you have 3000 quantity, right? Okay, you have stock. Now slash n. Create the PO. ME21N. Create the purchase order. Okay. Vendor. Who is our final vendor? 402007, right? Subcontracting vendor.
Yeah.
Enter subcontracting vendor and enter purchase organization GASP and purchasing group PG1 and company code 1000. Sorry, not 1000. G11, na?
Yeah.
Now item overview. Sorry. Another prerequisite is there. We forgot bill of material. Bill of material we have to create. T code is CS01. CS01. In this you have to enter your final product. What is our final product? 2047, na?
2015. Yes.
BOM usage. 1. Is it production or engineering or universal or plant maintenance or like that? You can select one. Alternative BOM. Suppose if multiple BOMs are there, then you have to choose which one. Okay. Now this is only first BOM, so no, not required. Here, see item category L is there and component. Enter 110010 and second one 110011. Okay, quantity. Let it be some 1:2 quantity.
Okay.
Okay, click enter. Here I entered 1:2 quantity. What does it mean? For example, your end product is suppose some doodh peda.
Okay.
What are your components? Milk is one component and sugar is one component, right?
Yeah.
If you want to get 1 kg doodh peda, what is the quantity of milk required and what is the quantity of sugar required? Suppose let us assume that 1 kilo sugar and 2 kilos milk is required to get 1 kilo doodh peda.
Okay.
Okay. So here the components ratio is 1:2. Let us assume that one is sugar and another one is milk. So 1:2 ratio. So 1 kg of sugar and 2 kgs of milk gives some 1 kg of some doodh peda. This is called bill of materials. Components to get some 1 unit of output. Okay, click enter and save. So BOM is created. Here see item category L is there.
Yeah.
Right now /n ME51N. Okay, from purchase from PR also you can create, or directly you can go with PO also. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, see. Item overview. Here you have to give item category L for subcontracting. This is the main important. In interviews also they will ask the question. And what is the end product? 2047. And how much quantity is required for you? Suppose 10 kgs of something is required. And what is the plant? G11. And what is the storage location? What is the purchase group? And all those things you can give PG1. And who is the requisitioner? Raju. Click enter. Okay.
Okay.
Here under material data tab, here now you are getting components and explode bomb. Components and explode bomb, 2 buttons you are getting. Okay. Why? Because you are giving a item category L na. So it will hit the components. It means it is a subcontracting process. Okay. Here explode bomb. If you click, see, we created bomb na bill of materials in CS01T code na. There we maintain 1:2 ratio, right? Now I said that in PR I mentioned that required output quantity is 10 kgs. So in the proportion it will multiply the components with 10. So 10 into 1 10 and 10 into 2 20 kgs. Got it? Now just come back. Suppose due to any reason if bomb is not picked, you can enter manually also here in the components. You can enter components manually also here. Just come back.
Okay.
Now check if there are any errors. No errors. Now save it. So you got this. Control C. Now give purchase order.
Okay.
Give your vendor 402007. Enter at order level. Enter purchase organization GASP and purchase group PG1. The company code G11. You can enter an item overview. Here you can enter, or directly we are having a PR reference number na.
Yeah.
Here you can enter PR number. You can enter. The data will be fetched. Material 2047 mainly procured internally. Okay, leave it. Now under material data tab you can see, yes, bomb is already there. Okay,
Yeah.
already there.
Okay.
Okay, suppose if you start our process from PO, then you have to check here. If already from PR it is coming, the data is passing from PR. Okay,
Yeah.
now everything is there. Just check it. There is an error. No errors are there. Just a save.
Okay.
Now you created a purchase order to a subcontractor. So what is the difference between the regular PO and this standard subcontracting PO? Only the difference is item category L. Because of this item category, it is fetching the bomb. Got it?
Okay.
Now this is the PO number 17497. Control C. Now you have to issue the components to your subcontracting vendor, right?
Yes.
So T code is MyGo. To do transfer posting of components to subcontracting vendor, you have to select here transfer posting, and the reference document is purchase order. Enter purchase order, and movement type here is 541.
Okay.
See here transfer posting of first component, and the material quantity how much, 10 kgs you have to send. Where? Here. What is the storage location? You have to enter ST01. And who is a partner? Okay, 402007. This is a for first material, first component 10. Now here right side here button is there now for next item button. Click. It will take to next
Yeah.
item. Okay.
Okay.
Now go to quantity and where here ST01. Click enter. Again select item. Okay. First one also you have to select item. Okay. Now enter.
Okay.
Check. Now post it. So with this material the document number, goods are transferred. Now check the accounting document. This is most important. In entries they will ask what are the accounting entries for sending components to subcontractor. Okay. Actually no accounting documents will be generated.
Okay.
No subsequent document found in
Okay.
accounting. Okay. Generally most of the people will say some transaction keys or some accounts, because you are giving components for some purpose, but you are not selling now. So that only accounting documents
Yes.
will not be generated when you do transfer posting of components to your subcontractor.
Okay.
Okay, you have to remember. Now components are sent to your subcontracting vendor. Just cross check your stock once.
Okay.
Okay, material. Sorry, components you have to check it. 1110. See, 10 quantities stock is provided to vendor, and the remaining is
Yeah.
1990. Previously we have stock 2000 quantity na. Now 10 quantities
2000.
with
Yeah.
yeah 10 quantities the subcontracting vendor, and 1990 is in your stock. Now
Okay.
check another component also. See 20 quantities it is sender and 2980 in your stock.
Yeah.
Now
Okay.
components are sent to your subcontracting vendor. After some time or after some days, contractor will send the finished product or assembled product to us.
Finish.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now you have to do goods receipt for that end product. Okay.
Okay.
Go to MyGo. Do GR with respect to purchase order. Enter. See here movement type is 101, right? Movement type is 101. The plant everything is fetched. Here see you can see the tree symbol. Okay.
Yeah.
Here this is end product 10 kg. Component 10 kg.
Okay.
Here another component 20
Okay.
kg. Okay. Here it means
Okay.
whatever the components you send to your subcontracting vendor, that components list also you are getting. Okay, that components may be under consumption or over consumption. For example, you estimated that
Okay.
some 10 kg sugar will be consumed, but accidentally only 8 kgs are consumed.
Okay.
Okay, that is called under consumption. Or suppose if 1 kg extra is consumed,
Yeah.
that is called over consumption. Okay, how to deal when it is over consumed or under consumed? That point we will discuss in next class. Okay. Now
Okay.
in this case we are assuming that what are the components we consumed, exactly that components are consumed. Okay.
Okay.
Keep all line items. Okay, here you can keep, or at the bottom you can keep. Here also you can check, or here anywhere you can select it. Okay.
Okay.
Now that end product into which storage location you want to take. ST01. Click enter.
Okay.
Okay. Now quantity. See here, if you observe for first line item, what are the accounting keys? Sorry, what is the movement type? 101 is the movement type for end product. Observe,
Okay.
101 is the movement type for end product. For components, 543O. For another component also 543O. Okay, note on that one. 101 is for end product and 543O for components which are consumed. 543O is for components which are consumed. For end product which we are doing goods received is 101. This is the important. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Now items are okay. Just check it. See, account determination, FIMM integration for this GBB, VBO, there is no GL account. Okay, we have to keep it.
Okay.
Double click here. Just proceed. You can go to OBYC or directly you can go from here. Click cancel.
Okay.
Account assignment. GBB. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, in real time, which GL account they will give it. Okay, this is the GL account. You can
Okay.
select. Actually, you can select and can click copy. Just to remove this valuation modifier.
Okay.
Save it. Or at the bottom you can enter valuation modifier blank VBO. Now we'll get it. See, now we have now VBO and valuation modifier is joined and with some GL accounts. Okay, just come back, again come back, cancel, cancel. Now check it. Yes, now no errors. Okay,
Okay.
post. So material document has been posted. Now see,
Okay.
In display mode, you can see. Your accounting document. See, so many accounts came now. So
Yeah.
many accounts are coming, right? Here, this is most important. You have to by heart in interview. They will ask. I'll explain how. See here, total 3 materials are there. One thing is we received one finished good, right? We received one finished good. For that finished goods, BSX will be there. Okay,
Okay.
and for this we have to pay some service charges also. Okay, to a external vendor, and for this some goods are consumed, right?
Okay.
Here BSX is 2000. Okay, and here
Okay.
FRL is external services. External services 75 rupees. So BSX opposite is BSV. See amount wise, you can compare easily. So you can make it one
Yeah.
finished goods. Finished goods means stock account of finished goods, and next is cost of goods sold. It means you sent some raw materials to your subcontractor, right? That raw materials are consumed and
Yeah.
converted as finished good. Got
Okay.
it? So finished good is 2000, 2000, and cost of goods sold is
Okay.
2000. So you have to make it one pair. For finished good, what are the transaction keys we are getting? Plus BSX and minus BSV. BSX means stock account of finished good, and this is cost of goods sold. It means consumed raw materials. Got it?
Okay.
These two are one pair, and second one is you have to pay external service charges, na? For that you will get
Yeah.
FRL and minus WRX. One pair is purchased external services, FRL, and GRIR clearing account, WRX. This is another pair. Clear?
Purchase external.
Purchased services. Here the description is services, purchased services. Subcontractor you have to pay service charge, na?
Yeah.
Okay, purchased services, FRL. The counterpart is WRX. So plus FRL and minus WRX you will get.
Okay.
Okay, and the next one is you consumed raw materials, two raw materials, right? For one raw material it is minus BSX plus GBB. In bracket you can write VBO. VBO. Account modifier is VBO. Minus BSX means stock went out, right? The raw material went out. So
Yeah.
minus BSX. And GBB VBO. Raw materials consumption account. So you took one raw material, so that only one BSX plus one minus BSX and plus GBB you got. For another raw material you got another minus BSX plus GBB. Suppose if you take three
Okay.
raw materials, 3 into 2 sets you will get. For one material, one BSX and GBB you are getting. Na? Suppose if you take 10 raw materials, 10 into this BSX and GBB you will get. For finished
Okay.
product, these two only you will get. One is plus BSX and minus BSV, and second one is plus FRL minus WRX. These four are common.
Okay.
Okay, simply you can make it a formula in interview. If they ask 10 raw materials are used to produce one finished product, how many accounting entries will come? They may ask. Simply you can write 4 plus 2n. Here n is number of raw materials.
Okay.
First 4 are for finished product, na? Into 2 into number of raw materials, 20.
Yeah.
Like that you can understand. This is the important, you have to by heart it.
Okay.
Are you clear?
Yes.
That's all.
Okay.
Okay, now you have to pay you have to create invoice for the subcontracting vendor. That is normal process only in yesterday's class what we discussed, that one only.
Okay.
Okay, you take invoice and invoice date 11/9/2017 and child agreement, control V, click enter. Make some service charges, leave it 892.5. Simulate. See, 890. So 750 rupees external service charges. On that 142 rupees is tax and 890 rupees, 892 is the vendor account. Back
Okay.
and post. Okay, invoice will be posted against the subcontracting vendor. Later payment will be done by FIT. Okay, 510609080. Just to see accounting document. MIR4 9080. Click enter. See following documents. Accounting document. Minus KBS plus double Xerox and tax is BST.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the thing of subcontracting process. Okay. Right.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah. This is the subcontracting process you have to practice. In this is the one case. And the second case is there. When you want to send raw materials from, so suppose you are having raw materials with you. So from your plant only you send your components to your subcontracting vendor. Suppose if you don't have raw materials, you have to buy and send to
Okay.
your subcontracting vendor, na? So when you are buying raw
Yeah.
materials for this purpose, instead of receiving to your plant directly, you can ask your raw material vendor to deliver at subcontracting vendor premises. So that scenario
Yeah.
in next class I will teach. And if material is over consumed or under consumed, how to deal. Okay. And
Okay.
if there is any byproduct, how to deal. I will explain in next classes.
Okay. Fine.
Okay. Do you have any doubt?
No. I will practice and next
Yeah,
class.
yeah. You can practice that transaction keys. You have to by heart. Okay. If you
Okay.
have any doubt, you can call me.
Okay. Fine.
Right.
Okay. Right then.
Bye, bye. Bye, Gautam.
Okay. Bye.